Today we're going to take a tour of the 3DFS software-defined electricity controller, the VectorQ Series Intelligent Power Controller. The VectorQ Series product line starts with low and medium power applications as shown here, and scales to substations and generation. The VectorQ is a panel-level controller which corrects major electrical problems in real time. Using software definition, the VectorQ can bring power factor to near unity, eliminate harmonics, and actively balance phases in a network, creating a holistic solution to major power network problems in a single device. By sampling more than 10 million times per second, the VectorQ provides the most accurate and reliable parametric data available. The expert system calculates the necessary corrections based on this oversampling method, and corrects major and minor power network instabilities in real time. VectorQ controllers monitor, detect, correct, and store power usage data, giving clients unparalleled access to power usage analytics. Controlling and balancing electricity in real time is cutting-edge functionality which eliminates waste in power flow. With such a critical focus on efficiency and electrification, the VectorQ Series Intelligent Power Controller is a necessity for nearly all 24-hour power users. With precision metering, elimination of harmonic distortion, correction of the power factor to near unity, and the most complete usage data and analytics available on the market, the VectorQ Series Intelligent Power Controller is a cornerstone technology for providing clean power and network protection. Contact us for more information and to get started on a bespoke solution for your unique power needs.